Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to view and customize summary cards and also how to download the application data as a report within the employee directory. Summary cards display the count of requests based on their type. This can be based on various status types of the employees. The user can add or remove summary cards by clicking on the More options and clicking the Settings button and selecting or deselecting the required summary cards and clicking the Save button. The changes are reflected in the landing page. If you click on any type of summary card, the particular request of the selected category is retrieved and displayed. Now, if the user needs to download the data within the employee directory as a report, the user can simply click the Download Report option under the More Options button. The data is then downloaded as an Excel file. Thank you for watching.